Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiffany Nicole. Sorry if I sound a little hoarse. I am getting over a cold. So today I am doing a unboxing slash try on, well not try on, but like an install. But it's just gonna be a it's just going to be using my stocking cap, no ball cap method or anything like that. And it is a synthetic wig, you guys. So I watched my girl Trendy K, and she did a synthetic wig I think last week sometime, and it was giving me very much human hair vibes. Like, it was so cute. So this is from ebonyline.com, and I will leave a link down below. So this is this is not packaged. Okay. So this is melted hairline lace front wig. Make sure you guys can see that. All right, so this is Outre lace front wig, and this is Seraphine, and I got a number 1. All right, so let's open her up. So they say this is a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. So let's check this out. It's pretty long. I'm not really into synthetic wigs, because I have tried one on before and it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. But as I keep like looking at people like try these wigs on, these synthetic wigs, they making it look so good, and I'm like, what am I doing wrong? I said, you know what, let me just give it one more try. So this is how it looks, the little package. Okay, so it's giving very much pre-plucked. So this is the wig. It's very pretty, very soft, no tangles, but of course it is a synthetic wig, so it will tangle throughout, you know, throughout time or whatever. So I am going to go ahead, let me cut this tag off. Alright, so it does have, let's see, it has the band, and it has 3 combs on the inside. So we have one in the back and then one on each side. Okay. Okay, let's see if it works. I got a big head, y'all. Let me put this band on first. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. It's giving cute. So I'm combing out a little bit. This is real cute, y'all. It's long. I'm not really into the long hair for real, but I will. No, I will wear it. It's cute. I love the like the curls slash layers on it. It's really cute. Like, this is really a synthetic wig, y'all. Like, this is, oh, this is so cute. Like, let's get into it. Let's get into it, y'all. This is so cute. Come on, scalp. Let's get into this frontal. Yes, so cute. Yes, and this is a synthetic wig. Like, come on now. So I have cut the lace off. I did have to cut some of the pieces on the sides. It was kind of big. So this is before I put on any makeup. This is how it looks. Really cute. Natural. It's real cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it off and apply the makeup. That's cute. Let's get into it. That's real cute. Y'all, let's get into it after the makeup has been applied. That looks so freaking good. The skin a little tangled now, y'all, and it is shedding now since I cut it. Had to cut the sides. But yeah, you don't have to use any glue. Definitely don't have to use no glue. But if you want to like just have it sit, like if you wanted to like melt, have like a real melting, especially like on the sides, like your ear tabs, you can use some Got2b spray. But I don't think I'm gonna use anything right now, because you really, like, it looks good, for real, for real. It really looks good. So I'm just gonna, you know, get all the tangles out. I mean, you could possibly do this, you know, wear this a everyday look. Just don't sleep in it. Please do not sleep in it. But it could possibly be like a, you know, go to work. Like, you could probably go to work in this, or you can like go out for drinks or something. You just have to make sure you know, the maintenance. You have to take care of it. Like, when you take it off, make sure you brush it out and stuff, to, you know, just to keep that look. But yeah, other than that, once it's combed out and stuff, it looks really, really pretty. It gives me human hair. Like, I love it. It's real pretty. I'm not a big fan of synthetic, but this looks good. Like I said, on the sides, like, this is still up. Like, if you want to put like some Got2b spray and just lay it down, because like once you put that Got2b on there and lay it down, baby, it's gonna be melted, like melted. So, but since I don't think I'm gonna be, you know, it's gonna be hiding it, I'm just gonna put like some baby hairs like in the front. So that's it. Now you see how that little hump right there? I got you. So I'm just gonna put a little heat to it, just a little bit. And use a little of my edge wax, and I'm just gonna put just a little heat. I'm gonna turn it down, and don't be scared. It's okay. Don't lay it down for too long. See that? Boom. See, it just needed a little heat. That's it. That's it, boo. It looks so good to me. Like, it looks really good. Okay. So let me stand up and show y'all. So this is how long it is with me. A little under my boobie, so it's pretty long. I don't think it says what inch it is. So this, I think this was $38.99, $40. I forgot, but I'll definitely leave it down below. So I'm gonna add just a little, like a little baby hair right here. I'm not gonna cut it because this is kind of like a weird spot to put baby hair in. So I'm just gonna, you know, just slick it down a little bit and just let it go into the. And y'all, based off my previous video, I am not good with baby hairs. So don't talk about me. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm not gonna cut it. So yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Alright, so how did it look? Oh. So I didn't want to cut it. I just wanted just a cute little baby hair right there. So this is so cute. I love this. I love it. For a synthetic wig, this is synthetic, y'all. This is giving what it should give. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I will leave the link down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.